The landscape of warfare is constantly changing. Drones have emerged as a significant force on the modern battlefield. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, offer unique capabilities. They can perform reconnaissance, surveillance, and even strike missions. Drones are relatively low cost and easy to deploy, which makes them attractive to both state and non-state actors. The proliferation of drones has created a pressing need for effective countermeasures. Unchecked drone activity poses serious threats, including terrorism, espionage, and disruption of critical infrastructure. The need to detect, track, and neutralize hostile drones is paramount. Countries around the world are investing heavily in anti-drone technologies. These systems aim to provide a robust defense against this evolving threat, with the goal of maintaining security in the age of drone warfare. The evolution of drone technology has created a sort of arms race. As drones become more sophisticated, so too must the systems designed to counter them. This constant back and forth drives innovation on both sides and highlights the critical role of research and development in staying ahead of the curve. The emergence of Pakistan's Spider anti-UAV system is a prime example of this dynamic in action. Global Industrial Defense Solutions, or GIDS, is a major player in Pakistan's defense industry. GIDS focuses on research, development, and production of advanced defense technologies. The company is committed to enhancing Pakistan's defense capabilities and strives to achieve self-reliance in the face of evolving security challenges. GIDS has a diverse portfolio of defense products, including solutions for electronic warfare, communications, and counterterrorism. The company leverages cutting-edge technologies and aims to deliver state-of-the-art systems tailored to the needs of modern warfare. Their commitment to innovation is evident in their latest offering, the Spider anti-UAV system. The Spider anti-UAV system represents a significant leap forward in Pakistan's indigenous drone defense capabilities. It showcases GIDS's expertise in integrating advanced technologies to counter emerging threats. The system's development is a testament to the company's dedication to bolstering national security. It also positions GIDS as a potential contender in the global anti-drone market. The Spider anti-UAV system is a game-changer in countering unmanned aerial threats. This system combines advanced detection, tracking, and neutralization technologies. Spider provides a comprehensive defense against a wide range of drones. Spider boasts an extended operational range, allowing it to detect and engage targets at considerable distances. The system is highly mobile and versatile, capable of being rapidly deployed in various environments and terrains. This makes Spider an adaptable solution for protecting critical assets and events. One of Spider's key features is its export readiness. GIDS designed the system with international markets in mind. Spider offers a potent solution for nations seeking to enhance their drone defense capabilities. The system's advanced technology and affordability make it an attractive option for potential buyers. Section 4. A closer look: how Spider hunts and neutralizes drones. The Spider anti-UAV system utilizes a multi-pronged approach to detect and neutralize hostile drones. It combines radar, electro-optic, and radio frequency detection methods. This ensures accurate and reliable target acquisition even in challenging environments. Once a drone is detected, Spider's advanced tracking system takes over. The system maintains a constant lock on the target. This allows operators to monitor the drone's movements and assess its intentions. When it comes to neutralization, Spider offers both hard kill and soft kill options. Hard kill methods involve physically destroying the drone. Spider can use a directional jamming system for this purpose. Soft kill methods disrupt the drone's control signals. This forces the drone to either land or return to its base. The system's flexible neutralization options allow operators to choose the most appropriate response based on the specific threat and environment.